Even with insurance, sometimes hospital bills can be more than people can afford. That's why some people look into hospital indemnity plans. So today we're going to be talking about hospital indemnity plans. Now, as always, make sure to subscribe and of course click that like button, give us a thumbs up to get this information out there. And if you have any questions whatsoever, you can reach us on the number on the screen or you can message us in the comments below. We are more than happy to help. All right, let's dive right into it. So what exactly is hospital indemnity insurance? Well, hospital indemnity insurance is a type of insurance that you can purchase in addition to your regular health insurance. That could be a plan purchased through your employer, on the marketplace, or even a private insurance plan. Basically, if you're hospitalized, you'll receive a fixed sum or a fixed rate that can be applied towards your deductible, your co-pays and co-insurance, possibly home health care, or other needs that you may have as you recover. Now, typical health insurance has specifications as to how it can be applied. With hospital indemnity plans, that's not really the case. You can use it however you want to really prioritize your health. Now, unlike traditional health insurance, this type of plan doesn't have deductibles, co-pays, co-insurance, or network restrictions. That means you could even use these type of plans in an out-of-network hospital. Basically, the main criteria are that you have to be hospitalized, in an intensive care unit, or in a critical care unit to receive your fixed rate. Although some plans do cover outpatient services, emergency room services, and even ambulance rides. So how does a hospital indemnity plan work? Well, let's say that you're admitted to the hospital for some type of sickness or injury, and you're in the hospital for 3 days. A hospital indemnity plan might pay $1,000 for the hospital admittance, and then $3,000 for each day in the hospital. So you'd receive a check for $10,000 to not only pay for your hospital bills, but possibly anything else that you might need. Now, just like traditional health insurance, these plans could cover you and your spouse, or you and your whole family. So if this sounds good to you, let's talk about who might want to choose a hospital indemnity plan. But first, let me say hospital indemnity plans do not replace traditional insurance. They're simply a supplemental insurance add-on. You may want to choose this supplemental insurance if you meet certain conditions or if you're experiencing certain life events. For example, if you have a chronic condition like heart disease or diabetes that might make you more likely to be hospitalized. If you have an upcoming procedure or surgery that you know about where a visit or a stay in the hospital could be required, this might be a great option for you. Also, if you're pregnant or plan on becoming pregnant, your coverage could be provided for any extra days you stay in the hospital after childbirth. That could certainly help. Of course, these types of plans are also great for people who just want a little extra peace of mind or someone that wants extra coverage in case of accidents. These types of plans are also great for people who have high deductible health plans. So let's get a little bit further into that. Frequent viewers and subscribers to our channel, and if you're not a subscriber, now would be a good time to hit that button, may already be familiar with the concept of a high deductible health plan. But if you're not, we're going to talk about it right now. So a high deductible health plan is just that. Basically, it's a plan with a higher deductible. And this deductible is set by the IRS every year. Now, there are high deductible health plans with HSAs and high deductible health plans without HSAs, and the numbers do vary slightly. So in 2023, the minimum deductible for an individual with a high deductible health plan is $1,500, and the out-of-pocket max is $7,500. And the minimum deductible for a family with a high deductible health plan is $7,500, and the out-of-pocket maximum is $15,000. And remember, these numbers can be adjusted every year. Now, high deductible health plans can be appealing for a few reasons. Very often, high deductible health plans have lower monthly premiums. And for someone looking to take advantage of just the most basic health insurance services, but still have protection should they need major medical services, then this is a great way to save money. Also, high deductible health plans may offer HSAs, which are health savings accounts. And as members of the FIRE community know, HSAs do offer that triple tax advantage. So basically, you can contribute a certain amount towards your HSA, or rather it'll be deposited into your HSA. Whatever that amount is pre-tax, so it'll lower your taxable income. This can of course help you in a few ways. Number one, it may push you into a lower tax bracket, which may help you save money come tax time. And it may also lower your MAGI to the point where you could be eligible for premium tax credits. That could save you thousands of dollars per year, which is why HSAs are very appealing to so many people. Additionally, the amount that is placed into the account is interest-bearing, and that interest is not taxable. And as long as you withdraw it for a qualified medical expense, and the list is quite long, then the amount that you withdraw is not taxed. And these accounts do roll over year over year over year, and if you hold on to it until you're 65, you can use it as a basic retirement account. And if you are going to go ahead and contribute to an HSA, the max HSA contribution for an individual in 2023 is $3,850, and for a family, it's $7,750. So as you can see, there are definitely some pros to high deductible health plans. However, that high deductible can hang over people's heads. After all, you could need major medical care, you could be hospitalized, and be nowhere near meeting your deductible, and therefore be on the hook for possibly thousands of dollars. And that's where something like a hospital indemnity insurance plan might be very helpful to those who have a high deductible health plan. So let's switch gears and talk about the costs. Now, with hospital indemnity plans, there are several factors to take into consideration. You will have to undergo some type of medical underwriting, and the results of your medical underwriting could, of course, affect your monthly premium. Additionally, the type of payout that you're looking for will affect your monthly premium. So if you're looking for a plan with a higher payout should you be hospitalized, you'll likely have a higher monthly premium. So hospital indemnity plans do range somewhere between $50 to $400 per month. And of course, that's a pretty wide range. And that's why it's very important to take into consideration those series of factors. So if you are interested in purchasing a hospital indemnity plan, there are a few things to take into consideration. The first is the payout time. So some companies will provide you with your fixed rate more quickly than others. It could be as little as 10 days, so that's certainly something to take into consideration. Another thing to take into consideration is the waiting period. Some plans may have a criteria that you have to wait a certain amount of time before receiving coverage. If that's the case and you are expecting that you might need to be hospitalized in the near future, you definitely want to look into the waiting period. Also, some plans may specify that there's a waiting period, but only for certain conditions or certain types of treatments. So again, this is very, very important to look into. And remember, hospital indemnity plans are really only available for those aged 18 to 65. Once you're 65, you'll be eligible for Medicare, and you could choose to purchase a Medicare supplement plan, except it will offer you many more benefits as well, covering your basic outpatient needs in addition to your inpatient needs. And if you'd like to learn more about Medicare supplement plans, make sure to check out our channel. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please do click that like button so we can get this info out there, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date. As always, if you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to reach us at the number on the screen, and you can always send us a message in the comments and we will be more than happy to help. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.